that. All right, so you can equally record at your own end. So you probably have like double videos of the same class. That'll help a lot. Because mine will go to my YouTube channel and all the rest of them. So behold our criteria table. Okay, maybe now you can record now. And I mentioned that it is spelling sensitive, but not case sensitive. All right, I put from Miss Stephanie also. Well done, guys. Okay, so for us to sort this table using this criteria table, let's call it table. You and I know it's not a table yet. All you need to do is to click on any part of your table, go to your data tab ribbons, click on advanced, and then you have this advanced filter dialog box. Your list range is fine. Go to your criteria range and wipe what you have there. And then you select your criteria table and then you say, okay. Excel will sort your table and then give you all those who fall within your new criteria table. So as you can see, we have just 3 staff members. Okay. Now, I want to believe this is pretty clear. All right. Let's make it a bit complex. Let's make it a bit complex. We are going to add a complex criterion. Let's say greater than and equal to 2. Now, greater than equal to 2, you want to up it. Okay. Greater than equal to 2 makes it a bit complex. So we have to sort this one individually. Now, let's do this. Now, department is finance. Status is full-time. Let me write it down. Finance. Status. Okay, full staff. Job rating, greater than and equal to 2. While for year, you have, for years, rather, you have greater than 4. Okay, so let's go. Departments, let's sort finance. So you uncheck and then check only finance, and then you say, okay. Status is full staff. You uncheck and then check only full staff. And of course, you say, okay. Now, when you come to your year of experience, where we say it is going to be greater than and equal to 2, what you do is when you click on the drop down, because you can't find, sorry, I've gone to the wrong place. I think that's job rating, right? Okay. So for job rating, you go to your number filter, all right? And then look for greater than or equal to, which is this very one. Option 1 is does not equal, option 2 greater than. So you select as the case may be. And our own case here is greater than or equal to. So you click and then write 2. And of course you say, okay. And what's the last criterion? I think that's year of experience, which is we say greater than 4. So let's go back here and then say greater than. Let's make it greater than 2. So we have people in there. So let's say greater than 2 and then okay. All right. So we have how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 staff members in this category. All right, so I want to believe we have done justice to this, and advanced sorting and filtering is something we have understood clearly and are okay with. Let me do one more thing. You can also be smarter about it. Let's assume you have been asked to filter out only your sales staff members. Instead of doing this and then going to on filter and then looking for sales, you can comfortably, without having to bring in your filter icon, just click on sales on any site that has sales. You right click and then go to filter by selected sales value, and it will sort only your sales staff for you. I think this is clear. So before we move on, if you have any question, please ask me before we continue. But if you have no question, I'll be glad to continue with speed so that we will be able to cover up everything today. Any question, please? All right, no question. Let's look at the next thing, which is our unique function. And we stated that unique function is also used to cleanse your data. It will filter through your data and bring out all the unique values. So let's see how that works. You write your unique function, open it with your tab key, and then you select. Let's select from here. All right, now, once you select, you put your command, it will ask you, are you returning by column or by row? And we agreed, since duplication or triplication is a function of your row, you select return unique rows. Close your function, and then you say, okay, it will pick only the unique entries. As you can see, it has taken off the duplicates. Now, where are the duplicates? Here. Pardon me. This, let's color it. This, and then this. That means we actually had a triplicate. And in our new data set, it left just one of them. So you can equally use your unique function to clean your data. All right? I want to believe this is clear. So let's move on to the next place, which is our smart sorting. Smart sorting. We did this on Saturday, but some of us were not in class on the time we did it. So let's do it again. And we mentioned that your smart sorting allows you to pick the top 3 entries and also the bottom 3 entries. That is what it's going to do for us. Okay, so let's see how that goes. You say equal. You write your sort function first, and then write your filter function, and then you open it. You pick the entire sales persons column and sales count column. Remember not to pick the column heads, all right? And you put your comma. Secondly, you pick the sales count column now. When you're done, you now put your equal sign, greater than an equal sign, and write your large function. We're going to ask you, what is your array? Your array is this sales count column again. You put your equal sign. You're going to ask you, are you filtering from what particular point? Of course, it's from the third person. And then you close the first 2 functions, which is your sort and filter. When you close them, you put your comma, type in 2, which is for the second person, and then put your comma also. Then you pick your sorting order, which is your descending order, okay? Close the function and then press enter. It sorts it for you. You could use your descending order. You can equally use ascending order, anyone you like. Let's use ascending order. All right. This looks a bit long, but then by the time you practice it once or twice, I'm sure you'll be able to get it clearly. Now, for the bottom three, it's same thing. The difference is just that where you have greater than or equal to, you replace it with your less than. That's one. Secondly, where we wrote your large function, you use small function. Okay? I believe this is clear. So let's see how it goes. All right, so let's write the bottom three function. As usual, you start with your sort function, you open it, and then your filter function, you open it also. You pick the entire first two columns, comma, pick the second column, which has your sales count. Remember not to put a comma yet. You now write your less than and equal sign, followed by your small function, okay? Your array is this very column, and then you put your comma. Write your 3, and then close the first two functions. You put your comma, select 2, and then choose your sorting order, which is ascending or descending, as the case may be. Close your function and then hit the enter key. It sorts your bottom three for you. All right? If this is clear, let me give you a classwork. All right, so I'm going to delete this now, and I'll request us to sort the top 3, while I will sort the bottom 3 one more time. Please, let's take 3 minutes to do this classwork and come back. I'll put the request on the chat. So sort the first or the top 3 in 3 minutes. Can we do this? Please, if your environment is devoid
Yes, we
of
can.
noise, okay. So let's sort, and then in 3 minutes I'll be back and I will pick randomly, and then you share your screen. So in 3 minutes, I will be back to see your screen. Okay? Thank you. I'm giving them classwork to do.
What can I do?
One topic to before you dance and classwork. All right. Welcome back. I am welcoming myself back. Please, has anyone finished? Is it difficult? Someone just left.
Not really, but we're working on it.
Okay. All right. So
Just, just more
let's
2
take
minutes.
a little more time. Let's take 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, please, so I can continue.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so doing it one more time, or let me just do the bottom three like I said earlier. For the bottom three is same thing. You start with your sort function and then you filter. Then you select the first two columns, put your comma, select your sales count column also. Without putting your comma, you write your less than and equal to, what do I tell you? And you write your small function. Pick your sales count column again, and then put your equal sign, your comma, all right? Type in your 3, and then close the first two functions. You put your comma, type 2, and then select your order of sorting. Of course, you close your function, and that does it for you. All right, so moving on, let's see superscript. Like we said earlier, superscript is used to type your superscript method of writing. Something like this. Let's see how it works. First, of course, you write the ST. Now, to highlight the ST, you can click and drag. When you're done, you press your Ctrl 1.